My name is Darcy Anderson. Shop location is in North Vancouver, the corner of Main and Brooksbank. I've been working on cars since I was 10 years old. I've always loved cars, and we used to do a lot of street racing and drag racing when I was in my teens, and well, I still love it. We do full mechanical here, so we work on everything from your brakes, windshield wiper motors, windshield wipers, oil changes, alignment, suspension. We do a lot of custom exhaust work as well. It's sort of a one-stop shop. You can get it all done. People come back because they feel comfortable with what we do and how we do it. I think it's a lot to do with what people feel about the service that we get. The guys are good. We'll take care of the person's needs and get it done in a timely fashion and at a reasonable price. Because we're a great shop. Budget.